Students, now we are going to discuss degree to radian conversion. Okay, and after that we will see radian to degree conversion. So इसमें क्या करना है आपको? 25 degree is the given question and we have to convert that angle in radian measurement. So we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. So if 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian, then 25 degree is equal to, therefore 25 degree is equal to 25 into pi upon 180 radian. So when you will simplify it, then 5 5 are 25, 5 3 are 15 and 5 6 are 30. So it will be 5 pi upon 36 radian. Okay, this is our answer. Now the next question. Next question is minus 47 degree and 30 minute. This is the sign of minute and that double tick will be second. So 47 degree 30 minute with minus sign, and we have to change it into radian measurement. So for that radian measurement, first you need to convert this whole value into degree, not in minute. इस मिनट को भी आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, डिग्री में चेंज करना पड़ेगा. सो आप इसको कैसे करोगे, माइनस 47 डिग्री प्लस 30 मिनट, सो इट विल बिकम 30 अपॉन 60 डिग्री. ऐसा हमने क्यों किया, ऐसा हमने इसलिए किया बिकॉज 1 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 60 डिग्री होती है वैल्यू. So it will be 0 से 0 cancel, it will be 1 by 2, so 47 degree and 1 by 2. अब you can write it like 47 plus, अब ये पूरा डिग्री में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है. So जब आप LCM लेंगे, so it will be 95 upon 2 degree. Okay, now this is in degree, so you have to convert it into radian. Again the same, 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian, therefore 95 by 2 degree is equal to 95 by 2 into pi by 180. When you will simplify it, then 9 1 ja 9, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 9 ja 45, and it is 5 3 ja 15 and 5 6 are 30. So it will be 19 pi upon 36 to ja 72 radian, and it is in minus. So minus 90 pi upon 72 radian, this will be the answer. Now the third one, 240 degree. So the solution is 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So 240 degree is equal to 240 into pi by 180. It will be 24 pi upon 18. So it will be 6 3 ja 18 and 6 4 ja 24. So 4 pi by 3 radian. Okay. Now we will see radian to degree conversion. Okay, so this value is given 11 by 16 radian and we have to convert it into degree. So you know very well that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. So put the value 11 by 16. So 11 by 16 into 180 upon pi. We'll put the value of pi 22 by 7. So 11 by 16 into 180 upon 22 by 7. So that 7 will go into the numerator. 11 2 ja. Then 2 9 ja. So it will be 90 into 7 upon 16. It will be 45 upon 8. So 315 upon 8 degree. When you will divide, because it is in the form of fraction, so you need to convert it. 8 3 ja 24, then 7, 8 9 ja 72, and it is 3. So it will become 39 plus 3 upon 8 degree. Now this is the complete degree value, but this is in form of fraction, so further you need to change it. So 39 plus 3 upon 8 into 60 मिनट. डिग्री को हमने मिनट में कन्वर्ट किया है. अब डिग्री को जब मिनट में कन्वर्ट किया है तो ये हो जाएगा 4 1 जा 4, 4 5 जा 20 and 4 2 जा 8. So 39 plus it will be 45 upon 2. It is degree and this 45 by 2 in minute. So again we will divide 45 by 2, so it will be 22. So you need to write it 39 degree, 22 minute, and then plus 1 by 2 minute. Convert this 1 by 2 minute into second. So 39 degree plus 22 minute plus 1 by 2 into 60 seconds. So 39 degree 22 minute plus it will be 30 second. So our final answer is 39 degree 22 minute and 30 second. Okay, now the next one. -4. In the previous question also there was a question with minus sign, and here also the question with minus sign. So this minus sign represent the angle rotation in clockwise direction. Okay, so this is only for showing clockwise direction, so we'll keep it as it is. हम इससे as it is रख लेंगे. ठीक है, so ये हो जाएगा -4 into 180 upon pi. So it will be 4 into 180 upon 22 into 7. It will be 2 2 ja 4, 2 11 ja. So further it will be 2 into 180 into 7 upon 11. So it is completely, this value will be 2520 upon 11 degree. When you will divide it, you will get 229 plus 1 upon 11 degree. Okay, since this degree is in form of fraction, so change it in minute, so it will be 60 minute. Now when you will divide this one, so 11 5 ja 55. Okay, so it will be this value will be 229 plus 5 minute plus 5 upon 11 minute. Again minus sign, then 229 plus 5 minute plus 5 upon 11 into 60 second. So it will be 6 5s are 30 minus 229 plus 5 minute plus 300 upon 11 second. So when you will divide 300 by 11, it will be 11 2 ja 22 and then 11 7 ja 77. So it will be minus 229 plus 5 minute plus 27 सेकेंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इसलिए लिखेंगे हम बिकॉज हमारे पास यहाँ पर रिमाइंडर अभी 3 है, कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन हम अब इससे आगे उसको सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए 229 डिग्री 5 minute and 27 second. This will be the answer. Next question is 5 pi by 3 radian and we need to convert it into degree. So what you will do, 5 pi by 3 into 180 upon pi, or directly you can, no need to write this, you can directly put 180 at the place of pi, means that why, because pi to pi cancel, so no need to do that step. I just mentioned here to make you understand about that. pi की place पर आप 180 रखिए, so 3 6 18 and it will be 300 degree. Okay, now the next one, 7 pi by 6 radian and we need to convert it into degree. So again at the place of pi you will put 180 and then 6 3 ja 18, so it will be 7 3 ja 21, 210 degree is the degree measurement. Next question is, a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute, so through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? आप देखिए एक व्हील 360 रिवॉल्यूशंस 1 मिनट में करता है और 1 मिनट में 60 सेकेंड होते हैं. यहाँ पर उसने सेकेंड की बात की है इसलिए हम इस मिनट को भी सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. सो 1 मिनट में 360 रिवॉल्यूशंस मीन्स 60 सेकेंड में 360 रिवॉल्यूशंस रहेंगे. सो हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे एंड व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी रेडियंस. अब एंगल बताना है रेडियन में कि कितना टर्न होगा 1 सेकेंड में. सो आप यहाँ पर लिखेंगे in 1 minute number of revolutions is equal to 360. Therefore, in 60 seconds number of revolutions is equal to 360. मीन्स 60 सेकेंड्स में 360 रिवॉल्यूशन करेगा. सो इन 1 सेकेंड नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशंस इज इक्वल टू 60 सेकेंड में 360. सो 1 सेकेंड में 360 अपॉन 60. सो इट विल बी 6 रिवॉल्यूशंस. अब आप देखिए यहाँ क्या आप कहा है, थ्रू हाउ मेनी रेडियंस डज इट टर्न इन 1 सेकेंड. सो 1 सेकेंड में कितना टर्न करेगा, ठीक है. रेडियन में मेजर करना है हमें, डिग्री में नहीं. तो यहाँ पर 1 सेकेंड में अगर 6 रिवॉल्यूशंस करता है तो आप देखिए डिग्री 1 रिवॉल्यूशन में कितने डिग्री का मेजरमेंट होता है. सो सिंस इन 1 revolution it turns angle is equal to 360 और 360 होता है 2 पाई किसमें, रेडियन मेजरमेंट में. सो अगर 1 रिवॉल्यूशन में इतना, देयरफॉर इन 6 रिवॉल्यूशंस इट विल टर्न एंगल इज इक्वल टू 6 into 2 pi and it will become 12 pi. Okay, see here the next question. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a cord is 20 centimeter. Okay, length of the cord is 20 centimeter and the diameter is that. See, this diameter, complete diameter is 40 centimeter, so the radius will be 20 centimeter. Now find the length of the minor arc of the cord. Means we need to find out this arc when the radius is 20 centimeter and the length of cord is also 20 centimeter. So what we need to find out, that L we need to find out. Okay, now so it will be theta. So theta, radius and length of arc, we have a relation among them, and this is theta is equal to L upon R. Okay, here that theta value is in radian. ये जो थीटा होता है ये हमेशा रेडियन मेजरमेंट में होता है, ठीक है. अब आप यहाँ पर देखिए इस फिगर में कि डायमीटर 40 था तो रेडियस 20 हो गई और लेंथ ऑफ कॉर्ड भी 20 है. सो अगर ये भी 20 है, ये भी 20 है और ये भी 20 है, मीन्स इन ट्राइंगल AO, BO and AB, all three sides are similar. So it is an equilateral triangle and the angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So since in triangle AOB all sides are equal, therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. लेकिन हमें इसे कन्वर्ट करना है रेडियन मेजर में. सो रेडियन मेजर में इसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, पाई अपॉन 180 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो इट विल बी पाई बाय 3. ओके, नाउ we will put the values. Now we have the theta measurement in radian and length of arc we need to find out and radius we know. So that's why pi by 3 is equal to L upon radius is 20. So when you will shift that 20 on the other side, then L is equal to 20 pi by 3. This is the length. And since that diameter was given in centimeter, so we'll put centimeter over here. This is the length of the arc. Now the question is, if in two circles arc of the same length, so this arc is also L and this is also L. So length of the same length subtend angles of 60 degree and 75 degree at center. 60 degree and 75 degree at center. This one. So find the ratio of their radii. Means we need to find out ratio of R1 and R2. So we need to find R1 upon R2. अब आप देखिए, we have a formula theta is equal to L upon R, but before using that formula we need to find out the radian measurement of angles. यहाँ पर डिग्री में दिया हुआ है. So theta is equal to 60 degree equal to 60 into pi upon 180. So it will be pi by 3 and then theta is equal to, it is 75 degree. So it will be 75 into pi by 180. So when you will divide it, then it is 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25. Now 5 3 ja 15, 5 6 ja 30, and then 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So it will be 5 pi upon 12. These are the radian measurements of angles. Now theta is equal to L upon R. So the first value is pi by 3 is equal to L as it is, and radius is R1. So give it equation 1. Then in case of second circle, 5 pi by 12 is equal to L upon R2. Give it equation 2. You can write here first circle and you can write here second circle. So divide equation 1 by equation second. So pi by 3 upon 5 pi by 12 is equal to L upon R1 upon L upon R2. Now when you will simplify it, then pi by 3 into 12 upon 5 pi is equal to L upon R1 into R2 upon L. pi to pi cancel, L से L cancel, and it will be 3 4 ja 12, so 4 upon 5 is equal to R2 upon R1. So when you will reciprocal it will become R1 upon R2 is equal to 5 upon 4. Therefore we need to find out the ratio. So R1 ratio R2 is equal to 5 ratio 4. This is our answer.